Hi, we are back, and now this topic is going to be on Wish.com in general. First of all, you're looking at a phone. You see that thingy on the top of the blue and then on top of the black? Right above the black, that is glass. That glass is the screen. You see how it protrudes? This is the so-called P30 phone that you are looking at. Right now it's just charging. Alright, this right here is the other phone, Assurance Wireless. That will come in the next part because Wish.com has some stupid glitch on it where I cannot go and log into the site on laptop. I have to use this phone through the Google login. Otherwise, I won't get in. And back to that thing. Yeah, we'll get on this thing now. Okay. You see that line? There's a line up top. It's like when you put a sticker on glass and you leave a air bubble. That's behind the screen. I don't like that. And that screen, this glass screen has a space in between it and the phone. Normal phones don't have a space in between them. Anyways, let's get on to this other stuff. So I got more items in my mail so far today. First off, let's just grab one. This right here is a so-called silver ring, and no, that is not diamond. Let's see what it says it is. Z99-9-silver. That's what it says. Now, okay, I know I did buy one diamond-looking, silverish kind of ring. Okay, well, what's this? The same thing. This light is really not helping. Hold on. Alright, I'm back with no light, so you can actually see what I'm looking at. And zoom in is a thing. This is the first ring that we started on. Come on. Wow, when it matters most, there's no zoom in or focusing. See those shiny things on the side? Yes, this is not working out. I'm gonna switch to the webcam, because screw this. Okay. I was trying to take pictures, but it's a phone and There's no stabilization and focusing. So, fuck it. That's not diamond, once again, if anybody's stupid. And now we wait for the focus again. It looked like something that came out of a box. Okay, this is ring number 2. They're not in any special order, but, just so people know what's what. Yeah, again, they look like they come out of some kind of cereal box. Now we gotta wait for the focus again. Of course, you're not gonna focus. This is also not diamond, it's just a regular clear, probably cubic zirconium. Okay, and now this right here is a so-called sapphire with 18K gold and more cubic zirconium on it. By the way, the so-called sapphire is lab made. I know that because I did the research. If it looks like flawless and clear, that's because it's not natural. It's just lab made. This thing looks like those ring pops. I think y'all can get ring pops back at grocery stores still today, but it's the only one I got that got color on it. But it's synthetic. You can see right through it. Basically transparent. And there's the refrigerator. It's light, not dark. And we got light issues, whatever. Now this is ring number 3 in the 4 at 1 type of shipping, mail, run, whatever. You might see some kind of, I don't know, blue, but it ain't blue. It's clear as hell. And as you can see, one of the rings won't go down my finger like the rest of them. That means that either this is not 9 or all the others are not 9. But when I'll just look at them close, they just don't look as big as the circle. The circle don't look that big. This is probably more cubic zirconium. It looks like fucking glass. And the camera on this phone will not focus at all. It's just blurry. If y'all can see the slant. It's got no close-up capabilities. This camera just gets blurry when I come close. Okay, we're back to the ZTE camera. And as you can see, there are no speckles and blurriness like smoke from a camera out of the 90s. This is ring number 4. This is actually 3 rings. They just got some zigzags so they fit. This is probably also cubic zirconia. Not what I ordered. You got one job, and you can't even do that. Huh. I did not order 4 cubic zirconia rings. I ordered at least 1. Okay, today is December 27th, 2019, and I got more stuff separately in the mail. This was today. I don't know what jewel it is, but we'll get on that later because this thing is, if you look close enough to it, it looked like that sapphire I had, the ring. This one, I don't know what the hell this is. Might be diamond, but it does have a sparkle to it. This pink one, it's got tints of yellow and tints of pink in it, and that the band metal part might be silver colored with some dye and then charged with electricity to bind the paint to the metal, or it's just some kind of copper. And then this thing was like probably delivered the 25th, and this looks kind of like it might be diamond as well because it actually sparkles. Now onto this. It looked as close as hell to the other. Both of them, I bet you they're synthetic. But whatever. Like, I'm sick of how y'all can just go out of your way to get as close as possible to copyright infringements without actually doing it. Got a bunch of rings. The worst one, right here. You see the dot, the slant in the ring? And plus, it looked like a piece of glass or ice. It got no shininess to it, like some of these. It might as well be glass, really, based on how the others are shiny, and this is not. And the jewel is not in there perfect. It's sideways like that. This is like all the jewelry I got so far. Probably not all that I ordered, but I'm trying to get this video out. And I did order more stuff, but it's claiming it'll be over in January next year. That's fine. Okay, next item that I've ordered that really failed or didn't meet expectations is this so-called noise canceling headphones by the company or brand Mpao. It's Chinese, of course. It comes in a box that has English on it, and it was shipped from New Jersey, even though it was bought on Wish.com, and they are known to have Chinese stuff. And these are circumoral, that's over your ear and around. And the only good thing about these is, well, somehow there's a phone thingy. Well, it goes around your ears. Let me get the box since I didn't throw it away yet. So, the listing of these headphones is incorrect on Wish.com. It claims to have sound noise canceling, and it doesn't, because I can still hear stuff. Problem right now is you can't read the damn box with this phone. There we go. I have not charged it and used it for Bluetooth purposes because it is unworthy. I have considerably good ears, and I know bass when I hear it. There we go. I just gotta touch the damn screen of this. Anyways, yeah, you get like a wire, a bag. I think there's a charger, cable, basic Android wire, and it's not one of those active noise canceling ANC types. The sound quality is basic. Whatever you hear, just put your ear next to a basic laptop speaker. Like, you cannot expect to wear these and make music or beats and have the best perception of what you are creating, because these are standard headphones with comfortable ear muffs. Just put a regular speaker next to your ear in a small format of headphones, and that's what you get with this. I believe they were like maybe $15 plus $12 for shipping. $12 shipping, and it came from New Jersey. I don't know what the situation is, but I got my money back on that, these headphones, and the fake P30 Pro phone that I still have. 2 items I got money back on, and I guess that's about it so far. Not everything that they have on the site is correct as it is listed. Just watch yourself. And don't expect much value back.